Hello guys, career reading, maiksi lang. Check natin ano yung energy. In terms of your career or financial. Mind power, use your intelligence, analyze data, logic, and think rationally. Lead with your mind. So nakikita ko magiging successful ka sa gagawin mo. It's because matalino ka. No, you have the talent, you have the skill, hindi lang yun, you have the diskarte and brilliant mind. Wellness, ensure your body is nourished, join a gym, live a healthier lifestyle. Yun nga lang, pwede kasing workaholic ka. So, try to maintain balance. No, hindi lang yung puro trabaho. So, think mo rin yung iyong i-consider mo rin yung iyong health. Okay?